Hello friends, your fence expert is here with another video. So yesterday I visited a site of a plywood manufacturing plant. I won't be disclosing the name. The reason why I'm making this video is clearly in your screen. The barbed wires are fully rusted. This is a 1 year old barbed wire fence system installed. Only 1 year has passed. The local contractor, which the company had taken services of, had put this angle, barbed wire, and you can see the quality of fitting. Each and every wire has also not been tied. And if you just have a close look, the tying wire has not got rust. I think this must be of a good quality, but the barbed wire that has been used has rusted. So this is what it happens when the management don't take a close look at what is going on and what is being installed. This they said that it was done by a local vendor. They took services of some local contractor over there. So this has happened and there has been a theft in their place. So they are again replacing it, and we have suggested to put a concertina fence, concertina with a concertina horizontal razor wire fence. I'll attach the photo if you are not aware, and I'll also share with you one more photo. I am unable to share more photos and videos due to reasons you all know. We cannot show everything, but one more photo I'll show you. So in this photo you can see that the height of fence is only around 1.5 feet. So what do you expect security on a plant by this type of a fence? Clearly, this is not a solution for plants, factories, warehouses, and anyone can easily like cross over this fence. With this small height, it is literally impossible, and with this old technology, barbed wires, it is literally impossible to keep your place safe. And this photo, this is an interesting piece. If you see, I'll just pan around also. This somebody has tried to come inside. So what you must have seen that we never suggest uh, cutting the angles, what they call in the local language chira in the angle. We never suggest to do like this because the strength of the angle itself gets deteriorated. We always do holes. Hole is suggested, so you can nut bolt. If you put a hole in the angle, the hole size is very small. It is only 8 millimeters, and this will not reduce the strength of the angle. In this photo, you can see that the when the person has tried to enter, the barbed wires have sagged, and because of the sagging of the wire, they have pulled the angle, and because it was made in cuts in chira, so the point from where the cut has been made, the angle has bent from there. So these are small details which no one takes into consideration, and this is why many people say that your charges are quite high, because we take notice of this all small details. And if you don't take this small details into consideration, the quality of work and the longevity is hampered. And this they are changing in 1 year. I also took an estimate as to how much they had spent. So literally around 40% of the budget that we have said, they have already used up in this type of offense, and they are replacing. So this ultimately uh, also reduces profits of the company in the long run. This is also what we suggest, that in short run, if you think that this is working out in less amount, but in the long run, this will ultimately cost you more. This is a typical photograph where the angle is bent. This is also the same case. I think some branch of tree had fallen, and because the angle was made in cuts, so the cuts weaken the strength of the angle. if you are putting a 50 millimeter angle, the 50 millimeter from one side, it is gone once you put a cut in it. So this angle has bent because in the monsoon season one branch had fallen on it. So we always suggest to take into consideration small key things which are very important in the long run. Otherwise you have to again revamp the fence.